Assalamualaikum interclass. My name is Sara and I am lecturer in physics. Today I am here with your topic 16.11 Semiconductor, also called crystal diode rectifiers. Its subtopics are half-wave rectifier and full-wave rectifier, and we have already discussed half-wave rectifier. If you're interested, please go and check the previous videos. So half-wave rectifier. Let's start with its definition. The definition says that a device that converts an alternating current AC into pulsating DC. Rectifier का मतलब उर्दू ज़बान में है किसी चीज़ को दुरुस्त करना. So in terms of electronics, हम alternating current को दुरुस्त कर रहे हैं in our direct current. That is what we require. But the thing is, we will only get pulsating direct current. We will come to see कि pulsating से मतलब क्या है. Let's say we have a rectifier. Before we dig into its electronic circuit diagram, let's have an overview कि rectifier itself करता क्या है. We are going to see our inputs on the left hand side of the screen and outputs on the right hand side of the screen. So let's suppose we are providing an alternating current, that means AC wave or AC voltage to our rectifier. I'm going to draw a wave, crest and a trough making a single wave, and we have a second wave over here. So we got a wave over here, and this wave has what? Positive cycles and a negative cycles. That means two positive cycles and two negative cycles. I'm going to shade positive ones with the yellow just to differentiate, and the negative ones with the blue right here. So let's say we are giving a positive half cycle first, positive half cycle to the rectifier. Will we get an output? Yes, we will get an output, and that output is going to be something like this. Great, same as our input cycle, input half cycle. Then again we are going to give negative half cycle, that means this, through the rectifier. Will we get an output? Yes, and it will be something like this. So the negative half cycle will also converted into a positive half cycle. Then again our positive half cycle goes through the rectifier. We get an output like this, and a negative half cycle goes, that means this one, we get an output something like this. So you see that the entire input wave, either be positive or either negative, is converted into the positive cycles. Because of the same side of the output pulses, we say this is our direct current, but we also say this is our pulsating direct current because we got the pulses of our direct current. If it were not pulses, अगर pulses नहीं होता तो you would have gotten something like this. This straight line would be your DC current, but we got pulses over here, so we say this is our direct current, but a pulsating direct current. So this is your circuit diagram for full wave rectifiers. The full wave rectifiers में आपके पास ये जो दो diodes हैं, these two work as your, that means D1 over here and D2 over here. These work as your full wave rectifier. And as you all know, the triangle side is the P side, and this side of the diode is the N side. Okay, and the next thing that you have in this arrangement of the circuit diagram is this transformer over here, and this transformer is actually called the center tape transformer. Why do we call it center tape? Because आपके पास यहाँ पे जो resistor है, that means the R load, the RL over here, is connected exactly at the center of this secondary transformer, making this point grounded. With respect to the terminal A and with respect to the terminal B, this point is grounded, and it is connected exactly at the center of the secondary winding of our transformer. That's why we say this is our center tape transformer. All of these reasons, these two diodes working here and the center tape transformer, are responsible for the conversion of an AC current, an AC voltage into a full wave output. So let's see how this diode and this arrangement will work. This positive one will enter our circuit. So when this enters, this is a positive one. The secondary side पे आपके पास जो A terminal है, that will become the positive terminal and the B will become the negative terminal. This diode will become forward biased and our D2 will become reverse biased. Hence the current will flow in the conventional direction in this way, and you will get an output across the RL. I'm going to color the negative end with a different shade. Let's say we're going to take yellow. This is your negative cycles, and when the negative cycle go in, this will make your A terminal negative and your B terminal positive. In that case, this diode D1 will become reverse biased and your D2 will become forward biased, and the current will start to flow in this direction and you get an output. Then again, when your positive half cycle goes in, that means this one, A will become positive terminal and B will become negative terminal. D1 will be forward biased and D2 will be reverse biased. The current will flow and you will get an output. That means the green output for this circuit. And when the negative half cycle goes in, you will get current because of the D2 and you get an output again. So you see the entire wave, this entire wave, that AC is converted into one direction. That's why we call this a full wave rectifier, because this arrangement has utilized both the positive and the negative ends. To summarize it, we say that the positive half cycles, that means this one and this one, will flow through the D1 diode, and the negative half cycle will flow through the D2 diode when these make D2 forward biased and when these two make D1 reverse biased, forward biased. Hence our entire input wave is converted, and we say that this circuit works as your full wave rectification, and we get pulses of direct current. We do not get a straight line as we discussed over here. This straight line is the DC. This is a straight line, but we get pulses. Hence we say that an alternating current has been converted into our pulsating DC. That's about it for this topic, full wave rectification. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Looking forward to your questions, and stay home, stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.